Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to be working more with definitions, our own defined definitions, and we are going to learn about multiple arguments and also now about defaults. So let's just go ahead and get started. So alright, we're going to work with power. So think about how do we do power in Python? We use two asterisks. So 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. So alright, so let's just jump into it. So I think all we've done so far is just take in one argument. And so we're just going to take in our x and return x. Well, this isn't going to be very fancy, but let's just make sure power 5 return 5. Okay, so now we want to raise it to our argument y. So actually, let's just, so we can see this more, and then x. So our number and our exponent, okay? So alright, save it, run it. Power 5 exponent 2. Oop, didn't close the parenthesis. So okay, 5 times 5, 25. Now, okay, that's not too fancy, or we kind of get that. Now let's do something a little interesting. So alright, let's save and run this. Actually, before we do this, I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself. So alright, let's go back, save and run this. So let's see what happens when we leave out. Let's look at this. Okay, power missing, 1 required, positional argument. I left out the second one because it just goes in order. So alright, now let's change this just a touch. Equals 1. So I'm kind of assigning it. So alright, let's look at this. Let's see what we think is going to happen. So we do power, and lo and behold, num x equals 1. So let's test this. So alright, when we do this, this is what's called an optional argument. So in Python, you can put as many arguments inside the function that you need and are desired. And there's also a way for them to be optional. So basically, if you were explaining to somebody, hey, if we don't want to raise this to any power, just put in the number that we want to, we just want it to be in our function and go from there. So this is the basis of how you begin to build functions with defaults. So now if we call this 5 and we go 2 to change our default, we go back. So it overrides this. Okay, so this is multiple arguments with a little bit of a twist on default for our functions. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and leave any comments below. And thanks for watching. Hope you guys are getting something out of this, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.